Synesthesia is a neurological condition in which stimulation of one sensory or cognitive pathway leads to the involuntary stimulation of another sensory or cognitive pathway. People who experience this phenomenon are called synesthetes. Many synesthetes grow up not knowing that they have synesthesia until they realize the perception they've experienced throughout their whole life is not the norm. The most common form is known as grapheme color synesthesia, in which letters and numbers are automatically associated with colors. Another common form is known as chromesthesia. Chromesthesia is the association of sounds with colors. For example, different colors may be associated with different types of sounds, such as bells ringing, doors opening, people talking, or different types of music. With spatial sequence synesthesia, synesthetes tend to perceive numerical sequences as points in space. For example, the number 1 might be seen as closer than the number 2. These synesthetes may also see months or dates in space around them. Studies show that people with spatial sequence synesthesia may have better memory. A rarer form, mirror touch synesthesia, even causes individuals to feel the same sensations as another person. For example, if they see a person bump their head, they may involuntarily feel a bump on their own head as well. These synesthetes are known to have higher levels of empathy. Synesthesia varies from person to person. Many other forms of synesthesia have been reported, but have not been fully analyzed as of yet. Studies show there are at least 80 different types of synesthesia. Some people with synesthesia may project genders and personalities onto numbers, letters, and dates. There are also some who may project personalities onto inanimate objects. There is even a rare form of synesthesia which causes a person to experience taste when hearing words. Not much is known about the exact causes of synesthesia, although some have attributed it to genetics. Although it is often referred to as a neurological condition, synesthesia is not listed in the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, as it usually does not interfere with normal daily functions. Most synesthetes report their experiences to be neutral, or even in some cases pleasant. Synesthetes are likely to partake in creative activities. One study suggests that synesthesia may also improve memory. Ultimately, synesthesia is simply a different way of perceiving the world.